Hello guys, welcome back to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see IC7492, that is nothing but the modulo 12 counter. Okay, so this is a mod 12 counter basically, which is internally divided into mod 2 and mod 6, that is nothing but divide by 2 and divide by 6 counter. Let us see how. Basically IC7492 is a 14 pin IC as shown here. From the notch position, this is the top view, and there's a marking over here from which you can start knowing the pin outs. So very first pin, that is nothing but the pin number 1, that is given to clock B. So as I said, there are two inputs, first clock A and second clock B for divide by 2 and divide by 6 counter respectively. We will see in the next few minutes what are that. Pin number 2, pin number 3 are not connected along with pin number 4. Pin number 5 is VCC, which is connected to plus 5 volt DC supply generally to activate the IC, whereas pin number 10 is the ground. So along with pin number 5, pin number 10, the IC7492 is activated with the help of 5 volt DC supply. Moving on to pin number 6 and 7, these are the reset inputs. Okay, so these are the reset pins which will reset the counter to 0. So these are the reset to 0 inputs, and care must be taken, these are the reset inputs, so you have to ground it, logic low inputs. So if you ground R1 and R2, the counters will be reset to 0 on both the counters, divide by 2 and divide by 6. So let me show you here. So this is consist of divide by 2 counter and divide by 6 counter. Okay, for divide by 6 counter, the output is Q1, Q2 and Q3, or you can also call it as QB, QC, QD. So let me revise here, it is QB, QC and QD. Okay, this will give you mod 6 counters output, whereas Q0, that is nothing but the QA, is the output for divide by 2 counter, and pin number 14 is the clock input. So it is clock input A, pin number 14, whereas pin number 13 is not connected. Okay, so this is how the pin diagram of IC7492 is there. And let us see the internal block diagram for the IC7492, which is consist of a, as I said earlier also, it is consist of divide by 2 and a divide by 6 counter, to which the input A is here and input B is here. So we are going to design a modulo 12 counter. Okay, so let us first of all see the diagram of pin number 14, that is A, clock A. So the clock input is given to pin number A, which will give you the output, that is nothing but, which will give you the output QA. Along with that, clock B is there, so this is clock B, which will give us the outputs. 3 outputs will be there, that is nothing but the QB, QC, QD. So this will be QB, QC and QD. And to reset this counter to 0, we have pin number 6 R1 and R2, that is nothing but pin number 6 and 7. Okay, these are the reset inputs. You can call it as reset inputs, which will reset the counter to 0. And to activate this whole IC at pin number 5 and 10, we need to give plus 5 volt supply at pin number 5, and pin number 10 should be grounded. This is how you can easily use the modulo 12 counter using IC7492. Okay, if you want to use modulo 12 counter, then input has to be given at clock A, that is nothing but clock A, and output of A, which should be connected to clock B. Means what? Output of divide by 2 counter is driving the divide by 6 counter with the output QA, and the QB, QC, QD will be given. So depending on the A0, so it will, all the flip-flop are reset to 0 first, and when A transits from 1 to 0, there will be change in this way, QB QC QD, and they will travel all the way to modulo 12 counter, that is nothing but 1100. So this is how this is internally designed diagram for IC7492, which consists of divide by 2 and divide by 6 counter. And that's all about IC7492, and for more ideas and videos please stay tuned to In 5 Minutes, and thank you for watching.